Hey everyone, try this Kerala style vegetable stew. Heat coconut oil in a pan and add curry leaves, cloves, and cinnamon and let them release their aroma. Add sliced onions and green chilies and saute until the onions turn soft and translucent. Add chopped vegetables and mix well. Season with crushed pepper and salt, then pour in some water and cook until they turn soft and tender. Add thick coconut milk and simmer gently on low flame. Finish with a drizzle of fresh coconut oil and a few curry leaves for extra flavor. Try this with appam, idiyappam or steamed rice. I bet you'll love the comforting flavor of Kerala style vegetable stew. It's simple, soulful and makes any meal feel special. Save this recipe and tag someone who needs to try it and let us know what you want to see next.